Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Magog is a city in southern Quebec, located in the Eastern Townships near the border with the United States. Sitting along the shores of Lake Memphremagog, Magog has become one of the best-known tourist destinations in the region because of its waterfront, mountain scenery, and outdoor recreation. Today, the city has a population of more than 28,000 people and serves as an important center for tourism, culture, and local business in the Eastern Townships. The combination of lakes, forests, and nearby mountains has made Magog popular in every season of the year. Long before European settlement, the area around Magog was used by indigenous peoples, including the Abenaki, who traveled through the region for hunting, fishing, and trade. European settlement increased during the late 18th and early 19th centuries, especially after loyalists and settlers from New England moved north following the American Revolution. Because the Eastern Townships developed under British township land divisions rather than the French seigneurial system, the region took on a different layout and cultural character than many other parts of Quebec. Magog began growing rapidly during the 19th century because of its location along the Magog River. Water power from the river helped attract mills and factories, including textile manufacturing, which became one of the city's major industries for many years. The arrival of the railway also helped connect Magog with larger markets and encouraged further economic growth. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Magog had become an important industrial and commercial center within the Eastern Townships. Lake Memphremagog remains one of the defining features of the city. The lake stretches from Quebec into the American state of Vermont and is more than 40 kilometers long. Its deep waters and surrounding hills have inspired stories and legends for generations, including tales of a lake creature sometimes called Memphrey. While those stories are part of local folklore, the lake itself is very real and continues to attract visitors for boating, swimming, fishing, and sightseeing throughout the warmer months. Today, tourism plays a major role in Magog's economy. The city's downtown waterfront area includes parks, walking paths, restaurants, cafes, boutiques, and marinas that draw visitors from across Quebec and beyond. The nearby Mont Orford National Park and Mont Orford Ski Area add to the region's popularity, offering skiing, hiking, cycling, and camping opportunities. Autumn is especially popular because of the colorful fall foliage that covers the hills and forests of the Eastern Townships. Magog is also known for arts and culture. Over the years, the city has attracted artists, musicians, and writers inspired by the natural surroundings and relaxed atmosphere of the region. Festivals, outdoor performances, and cultural events are held throughout the year, helping create an active community life that blends tourism with local traditions. Historic buildings and older homes in parts of the city also reflect the architectural styles of the 19th and early 20th centuries. The location of Magog has helped it remain connected to larger cities while keeping its strong regional identity. The city is linked by Autoroute 10 to Montreal and Sherbrooke, making it an accessible destination for both travelers and seasonal residents. In recent decades, many people have also moved to the area, looking for access to outdoor recreation and a smaller community setting while remaining within reach of urban centers. Today, Magog represents a blend of history, tourism, industry, and natural beauty that has shaped the Eastern Townships for generations. From its industrial beginnings along the Magog River to its modern role as a popular lakeside destination, the city continues to attract visitors with its scenery, recreation, and cultural character. Whether exploring the waterfront, nearby mountains, or the historic downtown area, Magog offers a strong example of the unique identity found throughout southern Quebec's Eastern Townships region. watching!